Today we are doing an autism awareness wreath today. Autism awareness is the month of April. Royal ribbon here, and we've got a couple of different ribbons to use as well. We're gonna make this a super simple wreath. We're just gonna make sure that this is the focal point of it, which is the symbol for autism, okay? When you're doing a wort wreath, I'm sure everybody's familiar with it. You can leave a tail off, you don't have to. I'm just gonna go back and forth and try to make this just as full as I possibly can. And I'm going to go around it a couple of times because this is a 10-inch wide netting. So you need probably a couple of layers of it. So far, that is with our netting on there. I'm gonna run that felt through it. I'm gonna place it in my wreath. Stay in and look really pretty. So all we're not doing any sprays or anything like that. So we're using ribbon in it. And I don't really know, I'm like you, Tiffany, I don't know what ribbon I'm gonna use or how I'm gonna do my ribbon, but this wonderful autism ribbon right here. Use this ribbon right here that's striped that Tiffany picked out. I'm gonna make a bow for the top, and then we'll see what we're gonna do with the rest of the ribbon, okay? So let's make a bow first. This bow on top of my wreath stems. I'm gonna run that wreath stem branch through that hoop that I made in the middle and just twist it off so that it holds that really tight. Okay, see, it's on there really tight. That's cute, not going anywhere. I can't see it, you guys, but eventually when we have our workstation set up here, we're going to have a wall that we can hang it on, and then I can look at it, you know.